So I thought I might be heading to VCF Southwest this past weekend, but let's just say family schedules had other plans. Between a whirlwind week and an unexpected drama camp performance on Saturday, that idea kind of fell apart. That trip was also supposed to be our first legit road trip in our new-to-me EV. But then I remembered, wait a second, Midwest RepRap Festival was happening this weekend. I've been curious about the Midwest RepRap Festival ever since I first heard about it, but I've never managed to make it. I realized I'd only be able to swing by on Sunday, which, yeah, I figured a lot of folks would already be packing up or gone, but I crossed my fingers that there might still be some cool stuff to see and maybe a few like-minded nerds to talk to. The Midwest RepRap Festival, known to the 3D printing faithful as MRRF, is the largest gathering of open-source 3D printing enthusiasts in the world. Held each year in Goshen, Indiana, this free grassroots event brings together makers, hackers, engineers, and dreamers from all over the globe. It started back in 2013 and has been growing ever since. Part tech expo, part family reunion for the RepRap community. If it melts and extrudes, you'll probably find it here. So I ran this idea by my wife. And let's just say the enthusiasm was limited at first. But then, plot twist, she remembered her brother lives in South Bend now. That's just a short hop from Goshen, so it turned into a win-win. We could turn it into a day trip to test out the EV on a slightly longer haul, with a couple of quick charge stops along the way. With that info in the mix, she seemed more on board. Sunday morning, we packed up, hopped in the EV, and hit the road. My little level 1 charger at home didn't quite top off the battery before we left, so we had a quick charge stop here. Then we made it to South Bend. The wife and kids got dropped off at my brother-in-law's place, and they actually ended up going to the zoo, while I veered off toward MRRF. First, I had to top off at a nearby fast charger. Then I made the short drive over to Elkhart County Fairgrounds. I was a little worried it'd be a ghost town by Sunday afternoon, but the parking lot still had some life to it, which was a good sign. Inside, yeah, you could definitely tell things were winding down. Some folks were already packed up and a few tables were bare, but there was still plenty to see, and I'm glad I went.
Okay. Sulkin's having a hard time getting back over. 10. Yeah.
Before heading out, I picked out a couple of spools of filament to try. As well as this new build plate. All in all, I'm really glad I made it, even if just for a quick visit. It was a nice EV trial run too, over 400 miles round trip, and it went off without a hitch. Hopefully next time I can catch the full weekend and meet more folks while everything's still in full swing. Oh, and speaking of charging, I squeezed in one more quick top off back in South Bend before grabbing the family, and what better way to wait than with some kilowatts and a little retro combs. Hey, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Hope to see you again next time. Take care. Bye-bye.